Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you this soft everyday makeup look that you can wear for work, for school, or any occasion you want to wear it for. So the first thing I did was kind of touch up my brows because my brows were not looking the best today. I used the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil to fill it in, and then I went in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Brow Gel. I'm not quite sure what the name is. I think it's called something like Wow Brow. And I use it in their darker shade. And then I went in with the MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot in the color Soft Ochre. If you want to know how I do my brows, I will link down in the description bar a video where you can see how I do it. I always get the question on how I do my brows very often, but I do already have a few videos on my channel. So now I'm going in with this palette, which is by Makeup by Mario, and I'm gonna start with this light neutral shade, and I'm gonna start blending this in my crease using a Sigma Beauty E40 brush. I have a special discount code on Sigma Beauty their products, which I have linked down in the description bar. I noticed this shade was a little bit too light, so I went in with this color instead because the other one was not really showing up. So I went in with this color and started blending it in my crease, going from the inner corner of my crease towards the outer corner and just kind of like sweeping my brush back and forth and making circular motions. So this is kind of going to darken up the crease and slightly warm it. It's quite a neutral shade, but this is also supposed to be kind of like a more neutral eye look. So if you want, of course you could go in with more of a warmer shade if that's what you like, but today I'm really focused on more neutral shades. So I just continued to blend the shade, and then I went in with a other palette from Makeup by Mario, and it has 5 metallic shades which are so beautiful when you swatch it with your finger. When I first swatched them, I was like, wow, this has to be one of the most beautiful eyeshadows I've ever used. But I have to be honest, when I applied them on the eyelid, I was actually slightly disappointed. I don't know why, it just wasn't really working for some reason. When you swatch it on your finger, the pigmentation is so intense, but when I use my finger to apply it on top of the eyelid, I just had some problems with applying it. So I was slightly disappointed, even though it's still pretty. I just expected a little bit more. That's all, I think. So now I'm going in with the Makeup by Mario liquid eyeliner. As you have noticed, I'm using a lot of Makeup by Mario products today. That was kind of my goal for today. I wanted to just play with some new products that I received from his brand. And this is his liquid liner, which worked really well. Amazing pigmentation, and it was really easy to use. It's one of those liquid eyeliner pens which has a really precise point, so it's really easy to work with. And then after applying a line above the lash line, I dragged a line towards the brow. Not a super long line. I wanted to create a regular wing liner. Now, if you recreate this makeup look and you're not really into wing liner, for whatever reason, this could be because you simply struggle with creating wing liner, or maybe you have hooded eyes and you think it doesn't really suit your eye shape. You can also skip this part, of course, and go straight to the next part. Or you could also just do a line above the lash line only, like I did, but I added the wing. It's totally up to you. I will also make sure to link down in the description bar a video where I show you guys how I create a wing liner. I think I have a video where I go a little bit more in depth. So if you struggle with creating like a nice wing liner, hopefully that video is gonna help you. So I will make sure to link that in the description bar. After creating the shape of my winged liner, I'm gonna fill it in. And one more time, this eyeliner worked really well. Super black. And yeah, I just really enjoyed using it. So after creating the wing, I'm going in with this cream gel liner from Colourpop in a really nice kind of like warm brown shade, and I'm going to use this for in the waterline. I love using pencils like this because the warmth of the brown shade really makes your eye color stand out. And it doesn't really matter if you have green eyes, blue eyes, or brown eyes. This shade is going to look amazing on all eye colors. So now I'm going in with this shade and applying this underneath the lower lash line using a Sigma Beauty E50 brush, which is included in the brush kit that I created together with Sigma, which I have linked down in the description bar. It has 7 of my favorite brushes which are perfect to create a flawless eye look. So then I went in with a mixture of those shades and mixed them on my brush and blended all these shades underneath the lower lash line to make everything look more soft and blended out. So just sweeping my brush back and forth, and after this step it's time to curl the lashes because it's time for mascara. I always curl my lashes before I go in with any mascara to kind of lift the eyes, not the eyes, the lashes. And then I went in with the Maybelline Sky High mascara, which is my favorite drugstore mascara. I think I've been using it in almost all my recent videos. It's drugstore, it's not that expensive, and it's really nice. It's, I think, actually one of the most popular mascaras at the moment. It just works really well and it just makes my lashes look so nice. It really separates the lashes, it makes them long, and I really like it. So now I'm going in with some fake lashes. And I really love the lashes because it has morning, day and evening lashes in this package. But I'm going to make sure to link them in the description bar in case you want to check them out. So I apply the lashes above the lash line and then I press the lash band against the eyelashes. Not the eyelash, what am I saying? Against the lash line. Kind of on top of where I applied my winged liner, the eyeliner. So the lash band is directly applied on top of the eyeliner, which kind of makes the lash band less visible because it kind of seamlessly fades into the eyeliner, if that makes sense. So you could still see a little bit of that lash glue, so I went in with a little bit of gel eyeliner and quickly hide it. And yeah, that's the end of the eye look already. So I really hope you like this look. Let me know if this is something that you would wear to work or to school, or if it's still maybe a little bit too dramatic. I would definitely like to know in the comment section. For me, this is kind of a soft look, but maybe for you guys this is still kind of dramatic. I would love to hear your feedback, and yeah, I just really hope you enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!
I don't even know why I'm here. You've been so distant lately. Taking